That's a fish. Oh, let's go. This does seem kind of crazy, and I don't know if it's gonna work or not. We're gonna rig it literally just like a Senko. Like that. This is how we're gonna give it a shot. You honestly never know until you try. Bro, watch it work, I'm telling you. Look, it slowly sinks. It's a fish. He's got it. Oh, dude, a fish had it for sure. No, that was a bite. Look, he took it. Oh, no way. Dude, it's gonna work. Oh, shoot. There's ants here, man. Gotta move. Definitely don't want to get bit up by ants today. That's the last thing that I want to do on my list. So it seems like the wacky rig's not really working. So we're gonna try something else. Probably one of these Ned heads. I think this will work really well. Bang, dude. I'm telling you, if a fish doesn't eat this, who wouldn't eat that? Come on now. That's a fish. There we go. That's what we were looking for. Keep your head down. No, keep your head down. You're mine, buddy. And I caught you on a gummy worm. Let's go, dude. I knew it. Get him up here. Okay. Look at that. On a gummy worm. Dude, he's fat. He's kind of chunky. He's got a little bit of chunk to him. That's amazing. Look how dark he is too, man. Because how dark this water is. He's super, super brown. Beautiful fish though. Awesome. I still can't believe I caught him on a gummy worm. Nice. That just goes to show they will literally eat anything if it looks like a worm. Doesn't matter what it is. If you present it in the right way, bass will almost eat anything. That is amazing. I'm snagged. Aha! The old trick worked. Oh, he ate it. He ate it on the way in. That was kind of crazy, but he did. As I was speeding it in, he's the one that's been doing it. I knew there was something trying to do it. Just a little guy though. Tiny, tiny little guy. I mean, it makes sense. You know, little bait, little fish. He's having some trouble getting some food, so we're gonna go ahead and let him go. He's pretty skinny. He needs to go eat and get bigger. See you later, dude. That's insane. I still can't believe that I'm out here catching them on gummy worms. All right, so this is spot number 2. It's literally like, I went from down there to here. I think this will be a good spot because there's a piece of this dock right here that's sunken. Let's see if one of them want to eat a gummy worm. I think they taste it and they're like, nah, I'm good. That's a fish. Oh, let's go. What are you? Just a dark bluegill, I think. But hey, he just peed all over me. But hey, that's another species. Very, very, very dark colored bluegill. Okay, buddy, I'm gonna throw you back. See you later. And off he goes. Look at that. That is 2 species now that like the gummy worms. They probably just like it because they eat everything, but I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. It was actually really tough. I was honestly completely shocked that I caught 2 fish, and I only caught 2 fish out of a stroke of luck. I got lucky that that one bit while I was just reeling it in extremely fast. The challenge definitely gave me a run for my money, but I definitely proved that it could be done. You could definitely catch a bass on a gummy worm. And it seems like they like the sour ones better. I don't know why, but it seems like they do. So if you enjoyed the video, please remember to hit the subscribe button, leave a like on the video. Let me know in the comments down below what your favorite flavor of gummy worms are, and I will see you guys in the next video.